Hello, welcome back to Graf Woodshop. My name is Josh Graf, and today we are going to be opening up this new drill press that I got for my birthday that my lovely wife got me. We're going to be putting it together, trying it out, and making one quick little upgrade that I got in mind. So let's get after it. Alright, so I'm really happy I got these pool balls attached to it, and I'm really happy with the way they turned out. They just look cool, and also they make turning it actually a little bit easier. The old handles were kind of smaller, and you had to readjust your grip as you were going through, but with these, you can just kind of flow nice and neatly through it. And I really like them, and they just look cool. So, got a 3, a 1, and a 4 on there. If you know what those are for, go ahead and leave that down in the comments below. See if anybody knows what's going on there. But I am really happy with this thing. I like that it's got the 5 different speeds where you can adjust the belt on there. That's really handy. And it's just nice. A couple things I don't like is I do wish it had just a little bit more power to it. Even on that lowest setting there, I could really kind of get it to bog down a little too much and get that belt slipping. So it is what it is. But I am very happy with the way it turned out. I'm looking forward to using it on projects going into the future, and it looks great in the shop. I'm always kind of partial to the orange and black, and I think it looks great. The base on this has a little bit of discoloration on it, which looks just a little off, but it's nice and flat and everything's good. I did take some time off camera to make sure that I had the base here and the chuck 90 degrees to each other so that everything was nice and neat. And that's all good there, so yeah. Very happy with it, looking forward to using it on a lot of projects in the future. If you want to see any of those projects, be sure and subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.